also
In the
considered
yes.
a stop sign.
What about this? Let's just look at
A circle.
the shape.
Circle.
Don't look at the shape, look at the whole thing. It's a face, right?
Mhm.
And it's a circle,
Mhm.
right?
With the triangle on it.
With,
And circles.
yeah, the nose is kind of a triangle, it's sticking out.
In circles.
And I'm gonna put this one in the yes. So what can we say about the things in the yes so far?
That they are sort of
Anything? How about this? Let's look at the picture of the. What coin is this?
it's a quarter.
It's a quarter. And I'm gonna put this quarter in the no. Now let me give you a clue. If I fold this rectangle in half,
It becomes square.
it becomes a square, right? Are both sides the same?
Yep.
It's
If I fold the circle in half, are both sides the same?
all of the sides are the same.
All the sides are the same. You can fold it multiple different ways, right?
Well, no, in all the shapes you can fold.
All,
Well,
all these shapes?
No.
All these shapes, if you folded them in half, each side would be the same?
No.
No? Which ones are not?
Well, all
Chip.
of them are. Yeah.
I mean, even our smiley face here, right?
yeah, because
If
it's
we were to
the
split it
eyes,
in half,
half of the nose.
each side would get half the nose, but each side would be exactly the same, wouldn't they?
Yep.
What about this guy right here?
Yes.
It would go where?
We would just cut it in half.
It would go in this. And what about this picture of Oscar the Grouch?
Yes.
Tiny picture.
It would be yes.
Not the shape, the picture itself here. Can you give me the picture?
Oh.
Would it go in the yes or the no?
No.
It would go in the no, right?
But what about that quarter? Because that's a circle.
Yep, but we're not looking at the shape, we're looking at the picture. Is it the same on both sides? If we split the quarter in half, would it be the same on both
Unless
sides?
you trim his head, that you were looking at his face.
Well, maybe if we were looking at his face and we split, yeah, faces can be, some faces. So, how can we define these all? What is a way that we can easily define them? What about this? Where does this go?
That goes in
Yes.
the easy yes.
And this one?
Yes,
No.
because you
This
see
would
the
go in
oak
yes.
mark.
Yep. How would we define the yes shapes?
That they are all able to be folded in half, and if we do that, they would be equal.
Folded in half, so both sides are equal. Good. Very good. Exclamation point. Do you guys have any idea what that word is called when you
I
can
was
fold
thinking
something
of
in half?
it.
You heard of that word before?
He's
Like,
gonna get
I
it.
I might know it. My dad may have taught me it.
It starts with an S.
Square corner.
No.
But,
But this has square corners. All the same, right? Good. I'm gonna start spelling it. It starts with an S. And then it goes Y. And then it's an M.
Smile.
Symmetrical.
Symmetrical.
Good job.
And these, good job. These all are have line. And I'm actually gonna say line symmetry.
You forgot to put an exclamation point.
Exclamation point.
A lot of people say mark.
Things, just like you guys said, things that have line symmetry can be folded in half so both sides are equal. Just like in our yes. So if we were to look at some of our no,
You
You
could
can't
not fold them in half.
can we
You can fold them in half. But
you can fold them in half, but would they be? But they wouldn't be symmetrical, right? Any of these shapes up here, and even our pictures, right? The picture of Oscar the Grouch is not the same on both sides. This guy
Cannot be folded.
can't
But I
folded
think
in half.
maybe the diamond or that square can be folded.
You think this one can be?
If we fold it.
If you fold it like.
If you folded it on like this?
No. It was just
Because
see
you
like
can
a duck
see-
mouth.
They're not quite the same. It's very close.
Yeah.
It's very, very close. But not quite the same. Good.